Are you nervous?
I'm like a fun nervous. I'm like first date kind of nervous.
I'm always worried about the weight and the nougatine just shattering.
No, I think it's gonna work. It's gonna work. An architect doing pastry. Dun dun dun. We're at the International Culinary Center where I used to go to school. Today we're gonna make a modern croquembouche, and I have not done a showpiece in probably over a decade. So what better way to get back into it than with a former architect, Jansen Chan, now pastry chef. I want to see architecture meld with pastry. So what about architecture is so crucial in pastry?
The architecture really comes in handy with the process and keeping true to a design concept, because there's going to be downfalls and things that you didn't consider or things that didn't work out, and you're going to alter your design or your concept. And architects are good at keeping the true vision alive, and I think pastry chefs can do the exact same. And I think pastry chefs are great at pushing the boundaries of what we normally do. We try new flavors, new textures, and also build some nice crazy ass showpieces.
Yeah.
So we are going to try our attempt at modernizing the croquembouche today. Classic croquembouche is a beautiful pyramid of cream puffs that are held together just simply by caramel. This kind of showpiece has been used in French culture for centuries, wedding celebrations and christenings. So let's do a rough sketch of what I have envisioned today, and then we're gonna try and see if we can build it together.
Perfect.
What I'm proposing is we do a center of puffs, but it's gonna be vertical, so more like a tower. We're gonna also do a drum on the bottom. We're also going to need a little bit nougatine here.
How many times have you done this?
I've not done it. Croquembouche is a tough one. You got to build it the day of, because unless you're in a very dry climate,
Yeah.
humidity
Yep.
humidity from the outside and also the humidity from the filling, we will have to eat this after or something.
Oh, fantastic. Let's do this.
Yes. Chemistry is super important. Can't really change too much ratios when it comes to doughs especially.
Wow, I've never done pâte choux in molds.
I want to control the size as much as possible. So we're going to go in the oven until it's done. I got my triangles that will be the support, the buttressing the tower itself. We're going to use isomalt for this since we're not really eating it. We're gonna pour the sugar in there. We'll let it cool in the shape. Should only take about 15-20 minutes. We got a torch, just to get rid of the bubbles. So we are moving on to pastillage. It really is just gelatin and powdered sugar. They're really good for rigid elements. It's very light, dries so hard. So we're gonna make some nice circles like donuts. We have to roll nougatine next. Some nice toasted sliced almonds and caramel.
Look at that color.
It's such a simple recipe, but it's so tasty.
So satisfying. So this is going to be for the base.
Correct.
And in between the center, yes?
Correct.
Jumping may be required.
So we're gonna fill a few of those puffs with a banana pastry cream.
Fill in the cream puffs.
Now we need to start placing the caramel in our molds. We are ready for assembly. I'm gonna start with the topper, then we're gonna work on the main tower, and then we'll work on the base.
The caramel's like the glue right now.
Correct.
What would have happened if you didn't have a blueprint?
Oh, I just winged it? Well,
Yeah, if
first
you
of all,
didn't have
I
a
would
plan.
be worried that I wouldn't have enough materials. I have a vision of what's needed in order to accommodate the sugar pieces that are gonna buttress this.
Have you been able to bring your expertise of architecture into the classroom?
We did the whole program 3 years ago. We started looking at how we can help our students become better designers, planners, builders. So we added a whole design chapter. They all have to do itineraries of
Very
projects.
nice.
So they understand time management and how to prioritize projects like we did today, right? We couldn't have made this part without the puffs, the custard, the nougatine, everything in play. We have to make sure everything's level. What you might need to do is start being creative and start cutting some puffs. It is leaning a little.
Nonetheless, that is a solid structure. Hello. Hello. Hello.
I think this one's gonna be a lot easier to do. You're just basically building a wall. Ooh!
Well done.
It's nice to fill it. It's good.
It's good.
All right.
Okay. So far, so good.
I'm gonna torch it. Make sure it sticks a little.
Give a girl a
Did I scare you?
warning.
Sorry. So originally this was going to be at this point. We'll see. Well, this is the part where we start improvising and start making it work, right?
Which is the best part.
What if I did that and that?
Yes.
Design process is to create something appealing, something that we want to eat.
This is looking really good.
Oh, it looks a little small now.
We could add another.
I mean, I can add another layer.
We
of
can just keep
nougatine.
adding stuff.
We're good. I think that's enough.
Look at that.
Good job.
This is what pastry has over savory, is that wow factor. All those details that seem like nothing when they're all broken up.
Yeah.
Cream puffs, the pastry cream that looks like glob or whatever, and you've got the caramel, and then you put it all together, and you get this structure that's just exquisite. Here's our blueprint.
I know.
Does it match?
I think the tower was a little bit narrower than I wanted envisioned, but otherwise I'm happy with it. It's invoking that conical shape of the croquembouche. Thank you.
Well done. Well
Thank you.
done.
Thank you, and thank you for your help.
Now I just want to smash it.
Yeah, you kind of have to eat it the same day you make it.
Oh, all right. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, that was a good one.
Oh, you want to do that little piece right there?
Oh.
Sorry. Okay.
I feel really sad, actually.
All right, I'm fine. You can also eat the nougatine.
Oh. To watch more videos, click here. These gleaming bonbons of different colors, and then you pop it in your mouth, and you're just like, yeah, what am I eating right now?